The Department of Health is disclosing that it is currently investigating the case of a 5-year-old who traveled from Wuhan, China, and was admitted in Cebu City for manifesting fever, throat irritation, and cough prior to entering the Philippines. Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses ranging from the common cold to more serious infections such as MERS-CoV and SARS-CoV. Common signs of coronavirus infection include respiratory symptoms, fever, shortness of breath, and breathing difficulties. In severe cases, it can cause pneumonia, acute respiratory syndrome, kidney failure, and even death. The Department of Health advises the public in practicing frequent hand washing, avoid unprotective contact with farm or wild animals, practice proper cough etiquette, and maintain distance and cover coughs, and avoid close contact with flu-like symptoms, and ensure that the food is well cooked. The Cebu City Mayor Edgardo Labella has ordered the Cebu City Health Department to monitor and coordinate with the city barangay officials.
More than 1 million people from abroad come to Cebu City. Who should not be concerned? We should all be concerned because we never know. But of course, while we are concerned, we have to do something. We have to take steps to prevent this dreaded disease from affecting our people in the city. Of course, we have already taken steps. We have sent our personnel together with health quarantine in the airport to collaborate with them and make us report. And then we have spelled out measures to prevent katong mga hand washing and asked also the barangays to report any incident directly to the City Health Office. And the City Health Office is mandated to have very efficient and effective monitoring of the virus.
Mactan Cebu International Airport implements strict precautionary measures against novel coronavirus. In-flight announcements on airlines have been advised to make a standard in-flight announcement prior to landing at MCIA, advising passengers experiencing flu-like symptoms to self-declare and voluntarily submit to a medical screening by the Bureau of Quarantine upon disembarkation. Intensified thermal scanning. The Bureau of Quarantine is on heightened alert and has intensified monitoring of arrival passengers in MCIA by taking additional thermal scans of passenger body temperatures on the aero bridges of the flights arriving directly from China. This is in addition to the thermal scanning at the immigration arrival level. Hand sanitation and air disinfection, wherein alcohol-based hand sanitizers are being installed in all aero bridges and arrival corridors, with the passengers being asked to use these facilities. Liquid disinfectant will be sprayed in the aero bridges prior to each flight arrivals. A medical team will be stationed at the arrivals area of Terminals 1 and 2 to provide information and advice to any passengers. The Bureau of Quarantine will, however, maintain primarily responsibility for dealing with the suspected cases. All airport staff dealing with passengers upon immediate arrival are required to wear surgical masks as a precautionary measure. As the virus is currently understood to be transmitted through contaminated droplets, surgical masks will provide an adequate protection. However, Cebu City Councilor Dave Tumulak, as per his authored resolution towards the implementation of isolation room setups in every barangays in Cebu City, is ensuring the isolation of citizens in the locality whom has the signs of having such communicable diseases before sending to the hospitals.
Daghan sa kaysa itong mga kaigsunan karon na nakasinati og ubo, sipon, hilanat, pero dili ni mga coronavirus. Viral lang ni siya nga problema hinungdan nga nataptan og mga hilanat. So gumikan ni ining maong issue, nag-awhag ta sa atong mga kabarangayan nga maghimo sila ilang kaugalingon nga isolation room or quarantine room sa tuyo ug tumong kinsa katong mga tawo nga gipanghilantan sakop sa pamilya nga ilikay ni siya dadon didto sa barangay hall ug doon na sila available room nga himuon nga isolation room adto didto magpaayo sa iyang hilanat. Kay sa pagkakaroon manggod ang usa ka pamilya sud sa panimay ug dunay hilantan usa, hilantan gyud na ang tanan. Mas dako og gasto ug bation og kahadlok ang mga sakop sa pamilya sa hilom. Mo na nga ang tuyo nato nga i-isolate kining mga tawo nga gipanghilantan para sa ingon paglikay nga makatap o mataptan dili lang kay sa coronavirus kundi kining ordinaryo nga mga hilanat og ubo ug sipon.
In case of having respiratory illness, it is advised to seek medical attention right away. And of course, being ready always. For my TV Cebu Special Report, this is Dio Gracias Olayan.